Oh, hello there! Did you ever wonder about the mysteries of the natural world? Well, you come to the right place! Welcome, bienvenue, welcome on Fuck Fish Channel! Let's start a conversation. Can you hear that? It's them. It's bat season. The spectacle is breathtaking. Every year, from October to January, millions of bats gather in a single spot in Zambia. Just how many bats are there? 1 million? 10 million? Somewhere in between? Well, that's about the range we have based on visual counts, which shows us how difficult of a task this is. 1 bat, 2 bat, 3 bat, 4. Hey! Hey, stop moving! I have to start all over again. 1 bat, 2 bat, 3 bat. And to count that many bats, help was needed, and AI came into play. In the West, bats have a bad reputation. Bloodsucker, dark spawn, disease vector, hair tangler. But bats provide more services than what you would think in our natural system, where they maintain their well-being. For example, in Africa, fruit-eating bats disperse seeds every night, further than any elephants could do. And the bigger the bat colony, the larger the number of seeds dispersed. However, in some places, the population of bats are on the decline, and counting them with accuracy can be a challenge. In Zambia, the Kasanka National Park witnesses an incredible event every year. After migrating for thousands of kilometers, millions of bats converge in temporary colonies to feed on the local fruit. This is the largest mammal migration in the world, greater than the Great Serengeti. Which bat am I talking about here? The African straw-colored bat, which is the only long-distance migrant bat on the continent, and it's super cute! And you? What do you think about bats? I found some before, small ones behind my shutters, and I found them really cute. But I know some of them are fucking ugly. So let me know in the comment section below. So how do you count that many bats? Benjamin Koger and colleagues tackled this problem. They decided to film the bats every night in the same way to standardize the images they were gonna work with. You see, bats roost in trees during the day to sleep, okay? And they fly around at night time in search for fruit foodies. But there is a trick. Not all the bats emerge through the same route every night. The trick was to film the bat emergence from all sides of the colony. The team of scientists and rangers use GoPro cameras, which can easily record bats under pale evening sky. So they place the camera around the colony, aimed upwards, and raced around the park to start them and later retrieve them in the dark. Every evening for 5 days. And if you know anything about natural parks in Africa, well, they are full of dangerous animals. And the most dangerous of them all is a hippo. Doing so, they obtained 45 hours of footage and started counting. Now, if you had to manually count each bat on each frame, it would take you more than 13 years to get done. Instead, the team decided to train an artificial intelligence program to detect the bats in the pale evening sky, which is very contrasted. In a bit more than a minute, the AI is capable of processing 1 minute of footage with 95% accuracy. Now that's a feat. It's very good, very accurate, and much faster than a human. On top of the processing speed, the AI is also capable of tracking bats as they flew across the screen and to count them when they cross the middle line. So now, with all of that and a little bit of mathematical flair, the team could get an estimation of the number of bats counted every day. And the highest number is just a little bit shy of 1 million. If you want a deeper dive into the method, please check the very well made YouTube video by Wild Animals, link in the description below. In Africa particularly, resources allocated to study and monitor biodiversity can be very low. The use of reusable, cheap and versatile GoPro camera and the development of time-saving automated analysis in this study answer a real need to local conservationists. Now, we mentioned before that the number of bats were on the decline in some places. Counting them would allow to detect shifts in these numbers, which can be due to human disturbances or agricultural or industrial development in natural areas, which can require conservation management efforts. Also, developing cheap methods of monitoring the wildlife can be implemented anywhere in the world to monitor population of threatened species or otherwise. If you'd like to know more about this topic, check the great news article on the website The Conversation. It is easy to read and written by the scientists that did the study. Title in the description below. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this episode, please don't hesitate to like, subscribe and share. That's gonna help the channel grow. And now, between us. Ciao, bye! Are you hungry for more? Check the links in the description below.